Hello! People keep asking how to do the vacuum test to the spare bag. For that we will use the famous 10-finger test that probably all of you know. So if you wake up in the morning and your eyes still closed, you think, do I still have my 10 fingers? Then you just raise your hands and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10. You have 10. More or less the same goes with the bags. If you take the bag, you look at the bottom and the bag is loose around the spare, then it doesn't have the vacuum. But if the bag is really tight and close to the spare, then the bag is all right. Put it into the keg and fill the beer. Gpro.